Hello everyone. Welcome back to Best Buy New Invention Gadgets. Today video about Ulefone Armor 34 Pro smartphone. The Armor 34 Pro smartphone features a built-in DLP projector with a resolution of 854 by 480px, enabling you to carry a portable movie theater wherever you go. Thanks to its impressive brightness of 150 lumens, it can project onto nearly any surface. Additionally, the smart autofocus quickly detects distance, removing the necessity for manual adjustments and ensuring that your content remains clear and ready for viewing. The projector can display images up to 100 inches in diameter and has a focus distance of up to 3 meters. The innovative 100% offset design allows for immediate, unobstructed projection by simply flattening the device. The model also supports manual vertical adjustment of up to 40 degrees, resulting in distortion-free images. Two 2W cooling fans, each operating at 1300 RPM, ensure the projector functions smoothly, with the device's temperature dictating its dynamic adjustments. The Armor 34 Pro smartphone represents a state-of-the-art device that operates on Android OS version 15.0. Its IPS display offers wide viewing angles, enabling you to enjoy content from various perspectives. The multi-camera setup positioned at the back of the Armor 34 Pro smartphone allows users to take stunning photographs from different angles. Designed for use with nano SIM cards, the Armor 34 Pro comes preloaded with Android OS version 15.0, featuring an intuitive interface that allows users to engage with their devices via touch. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset, the Armor 34 Pro provides the necessary performance for demanding applications, including gaming and video editing. The octa-core CPU ensures optimal performance, while the Mali G610 MC4 graphics deliver smooth and immersive gaming experiences, as well as outstanding visuals in multimedia applications. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd